We're delighted to tell you that our restaurants are reopening and that we have created a safe environment for you to enjoy your meatballs, veggie balls, and a few of our other favorite dishes. It's going to work a bit differently though. Here's how. Our restaurant opening hours will be reduced, and we will be limiting the number of people we serve. When entering a store, you will be asked if you would like to eat. And if you would, we'll reserve a time for you and take a few details. Please only come to the restaurant at the time of your reservation and use the hand sanitizers stationed throughout. You will be shown to your table and given a menu. Once you have chosen what to have, one member of your group can go to the till to order and pay. Then head back to your table and a co-worker will bring your order to you, along with your drinks, cutlery and condiments. Once you have finished, simply leave your plates where they are and follow the one-way system out. We will clear your table, then give it a thorough clean, ready for the next customer. So there you go. We look forward to serving you a delicious meal soon. IKEA, the wonderful everyday.